Yo guys, what's going on? I'm That Kid Image, and yeah, so I'm in New Jersey right now for a while. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is all snow. We're expecting that for blizzard. Just landed not too long ago. My car broke down. Had to walk the rest of the way. I mean, I broke down not too far away. I was able to pull it into like a Dunkin' Donuts, well, Dairy Queen actually, but Dunkin' Donuts was the first thing in my head because I wanted Dunkin' Donuts. So yeah, I mean, it's not even that bad. It's just roads are really icy. My car stopped working. I don't know if you guys can even see the snow. I mean, it doesn't look that bad because it's actually not. But we're expecting to get hit by a blizzard at 12 a.m. EST. Yeah, and at 12 EST, we're expected every hour to get 2 to 4 inches in an hour until like 12 p.m. the next day. So, yeah, we're getting pretty fucked up with snow for a while. It's pretty bad. I'm just gonna make a video until I get to my street. I'm only like a blocker away from my fucking house I have down here. It's really not that bad. Me and Miss Image were having a little snowball fight before. So yeah. I don't even know if you guys were even able to see the snow. I'm looking at the camera, I really don't see anything. It's really not that bad though right now, like I said. But it's supposed to get really bad. I mean, where I'm at right now, we're expected, I think, 32 inches max. I think we're stuck between 24 to 35 or something like that inches. So yeah, we're gonna get pretty messed up. This is what happens, I guess, when I leave Cali. This guy's probably going pretty slow. There's a car coming up. He might be going pretty slow. Doesn't look like he's going too fast. But yeah, there he is. I shot right in his face. Yeah, he's not driving normal speed, and I almost slipped and fell. Busted ass. So yeah, this is what it's like in New Jersey right now. Getting shitted on by snow. And this is That Kid Image, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Maybe I'll try to upload something that you guys might like, or I'll live stream some gameplay of some GTA. And this is my street. So I'm gonna end the video now, guys. See ya!